In this video, pag-usapan natin yung naging coaching change sa Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. At may bago na ngang coach ang Magnolia at siya po ay yung mamang nasa picture na to, no? Si L.A. Tenorio, appointed as the new head coach of the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. Kinumpirma po yan ni SMC Sports Director Al Francis Chua before ng send-off game ng Gilas Pilipinas against the Macau Black Bears nung Lunes. So, L.A. Tenorio again is the new head coach at this is his first PBA coaching job at kita nyo naman sa litrato, no? Wala tayong picture ni L.A. Tenorio as coach sa PBA kasi kakagaling lang niya sa kanyang 18th season in the PBA while playing for the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, no? I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, mga fans ng Ginebra, no? Parang 13 years nga ba? Or 11 years? Itong si L.A. Tenorio sa Barangay Ginebra. I-check muna natin, no? I-google na natin now. Pero again, Magnolia has a new coach sa katauhan ni L.A. Tenorio, a 41-year-old point guard, no? Point guard ng Ginebra, now taking a new role as the head coach of the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots at 13 years nga si L.A. Tenorio sa Barangay Ginebra sa PBA. So, L.A. Tenorio, well, he replaces Chito Victolero, no, after 8 seasons with the Hot Shots, no? Under Victolero's watch, nag-champion ng Magnolia once noong 2018 Governor's Cup. Magnolia was a perennial playoff contender during the time of Coach Chito Victolero, but very madalas na they always come up short, lalo na pag umaabot sila sa semifinals and sa finals. Minsan kinakapos itong Magnolia. I believe they reached the finals, kung di tayo nagkakamali, twice or thrice, no, under Coach Chito Victolero. Pero again, in the end ay hindi nagwagi yung Magnolia sa championship. At dahil nga sa mga playoff disappointments ng Magnolia over the years, ay binansagan ang Magnolia Hot Shots na intro voice, no, ng mga fans. And actually, hindi lang ng fans sa PBA, even their own fans, no, in their disappointment sa mga kampanya ng Magnolia, ay ayun na nga, tinawag na nga ng mga fans na quote-unquote intro voice, no, yung Magnolia, because maganda yung start nila, no? Most of the time, maganda yung kanilang start during the conference, pero in the end, kinakapos itong Hot Shots during their campaign. And again, kinumpirma nga ni SMC Sports Director Al Francis Chua yung naging development na yan with L.A. Tenorio being the new head coach of Magnolia, no? Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung ating takeaways in this appointment, no? But pakinggan natin yung sinabi ni Sir Al Francis Chua with regards to the decision of the SMC management to appoint L.A. Tenorio as the new head coach. At nabanggit din niya na it's going to be a big loss, no, for Barangay Ginebra with L.A. Tenorio moving to Magnolia. But tingin ni Team Governor Al Francis Chua ay hinog na si L.A. Tenorio na maging head coach sa PBA. Pakinggan natin si SMC Sports Director Al Francis Chua.
Biniro ko siya after winning the gold sa Shaba. I said, pwede ka na. You know, doon nag-upisa yun. Everybody knows he's a very intelligent guy, very smart, team leader. So I think we're not expecting that much. Bago pa lang si LA, but for sure he'll be good as a head coach. Pero dami nagtatanong, baka bata pa. Sabi ko, hindi na bata, kaya hindi na 14 eh. Di ba? So, hindi na maglalaro. he was excited when I called him. So sabi ko, naka-decide na kami na magko-coach siya ng Magnolia. Oo naman. Sabi ko nga ulitin ko, LA is a leader. I hope the Ginebra fans can understand that LA Tenorio is moving to Magnolia as a head coach. Hindi naman habang buhay na doon tayo. Like kila Mark Caguioa, kila JJ, after that, ito. At least makikita pa nila yung idolo nila nasa PBA pa rin. Ibang capacity lang. But hindi naman pwedeng habang buhay nandun tayo. We have to move on. Hindi pwede habang buhay na yun lang kinakain natin. Minsan kailangan tumikim din tayong iba. So, there's a different job, different na trabahong gagawin niya. So, we'll see.
Okay, yan po si SMC Sports Director Al Francis Chua with regard to the appointment of L.A. Tenorio as the new head coach of the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. So, yung takeaways natin dun sa hiring na yun of L.A. Tenorio as the new head coach of the Magnolia Hot Shots at ito, observation natin, talagang malaki ang tiwala ng SMC management kay L.A. Tenorio, no? Of course, alam naman natin yung career ni L.A. Tenorio as a player. Proven na yan when it comes to his leadership. And even yung kanyang skills, nandun pa rin, no? Nakita na nga natin ng Game 6 of the PBA Philippine Cup semifinals against San Miguel. Siya pa yung naging hero dun sa larong yon. But I mean, this is a new world now for L.A. Tenorio, and based from their decision, talagang maganda yung belief nila kay L.A. Tenorio na he can handle this job, no? This job as a PBA head coach with the Magnolia Hot Shots, no? Under his belt nga, nabanggit ni Governor Al Francis Chua na after the Siaba Championship ay mukhang na-impress agad yung SMC management doon sa pinakita ni L.A. Tenorio, no, on how he handled the team, yung practices. Ay, siguro naman nakita rin ni Governor Al Francis Chua yung naging performance ni L.A. Tenorio during practices, how he handles practices. So talagang mukhang doon pa lang ay napakita na ni L.A. Tenorio na kaya niya, no, na maging head coach not only in the youth level but even dun sa PBA level, no. At nakita ng San Miguel management na kayang-kaya ni L.A. Tenorio na maging head coach, no. It's a big leap for him, no, kay L.A. Tenorio from a youth coach to a PBA coach. Remember, wala pa talagang head coaching experience itong si L.A. Tenorio sa collegiate ranks. But I guess with LA's performance nung Siaba, no, in handling the youth team na mabigat-bigat na rin, no, dahil national youth team ito, doon pa lang ay napabilib na ni L.A. Tenorio ang management ng San Miguel Corporation with this performance. And they believe, no, na kung kaya ni LA sa Gilas Youth, kaya rin niya dito sa Magnolia Hot Shots, no. So that's our first takeaway, no. Yung pangalawa ay kung sa paniwala ng San Miguel Corporation ay it's a big gain for them getting L.A. Tenorio as the head coach, ay mukhang mawawalan din itong Barangay Ginebra, no, losing their veteran and their leader, no. So I guess yung presence ni L.A. Tenorio will be missed, no, sa Barangay Ginebra. At again, minention natin nung Game 6 how he handled that game, nung naging hero siya. And not only that, yung contributions niya on the court, nagkaroon pa nga ng time nung Game 6 na nagsabay-sabay si Scottie Thompson, si L.A. Tenorio, and RJ Abarrientos. Parang that stabilized the team during that Game 6, no, na kung saan they came back and beat San Miguel on that 3-point shot by L.A. Tenorio. So malaking bagay yung kawalan ni L.A. Tenorio sa Barangay Ginebra in terms of yung leadership, no, yung presence niya on the court, yung guiding the likes of especially RJ Abarrientos, no, with his talent. ay siyempre napapansin din ng iba na minsan nagko-commit si RJ ng mga careless na turnovers, and ang talagang madalas na kumakausap kay RJ Abarrientos itong si LA Tenorio. So definitely malaking kawalan sa Barangay Ginebra yan, yung presence ni LA Tenorio on the court, no, yung pagiging veteran, and of course yung kanyang naging accomplishments, no, and experience na pwede niyang i-share sa mga younger players ng Barangay Ginebra, most especially si RJ Abarrientos, who will be entering his second season sa PBA. So mawawalan ng konti, no, ng guidance itong si RJ Abarrientos with the absence now of LA Tenorio moving on to Magnolia. So it's going to be a big test for RJ Abarrientos, no, na siyempre wala na yung veteran na isa sa mga veteran na talagang tinutulungan siya. So let's see how RJ Abarrientos will grow, no, in his second season now na wala si LA Tenorio. And our third takeaway, no, it's a reboot now for Magnolia, no. Of course, matagal ding naging head coach si Chito Victorero sa Magnolia, at yun nga, obviously hindi happy yung Magnolia management and even yung mga bosses sa San Miguel with their performance of really losing the important games. Maganda yung start pero kinukulang. So perhaps this reboot by Magnolia ay makakatulong sa kanila, no, dahil nga aminin na natin medyo maraming negativity sa Magnolia, not necessarily sa team, no, but yung sa outside, no, with yun nga yung mga sinasabi ng mga fans na intro voice, parang talagang maraming negativity sa labas, no, ng Magnolia, no, not necessarily sa loob, but syempre yung fans ay they want a winning team, no, yung consistent na will enter the finals, especially itong Magnolia, and even way back sa Pure Foods days, yung talagang meron silang tradition of winning. So perhaps this is something na talagang kailangan na ng Magnolia after those playoff disappointments, itong reboot nga, no, na matatawag, no, yung pagkakatalaga kay LA Tenorio bilang head coach ng Magnolia. But sabi nga ni Al Francis Chua, the sports director of San Miguel Corporation, ay wag umasa ng quick results dahil nga bago pa lang si LA Tenorio. He is still in the process of learning new things as a head coach. Siyempre, there will be some rookie jitters as a head coach, but definitely, yung nabanggit nga natin, malaki ang tiwala ng San Miguel management kay LA Tenorio, and mukhang that's a good start for LA Tenorio. Yung pwede nating sabihin na may vote of confidence yung San Miguel Corporation management dito kay LA Tenorio. So yan na po, no, yan po yung ating maiksing recap and konting takeaways na rin, no, with this hiring of LA Tenorio as the head coach of the Magnolia Hotshots. So ano pong tingin nyo sa move na ito ng SMC? Is this for the good of the team? Tiwala ba kayo sa kakayahan ni LA Tenorio as head coach of the Magnolia Hotshots based from his previous experience as a player and even as a playing assistant coach nga pala, no, with Ginebra, and even now with him as the head coach of Gilas Youth? Ay tingin nyo ba ay kaya ni LA Tenorio na dalhin ang Magnolia Hotshots not only in the playoffs but in the championship na inaasam-asam talaga ng mga Magnolia fans? Well, comment down below kung anong tingin nyo dyan sa tanong na yan. Okay, yan na po yung ating recap, no, of the news that just came out, no, nung Lunes, the appointment of LA Tenorio as the new head coach of the Magnolia Chicken Templados Hotshots. Maraming po salamat. Thank you for watching our video and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.